Thank you for signing up for the training on the official training site for iMember 360. Carl Chapman here. Not only did I want to thank you for signing up, but I wanted to give you a brief tour of the navigation of the website, both pre and post login. After that, I'm going to give you a bonus tip that shows you how you can use the same kinds of menu visibility techniques to help you direct your visitors to the places you want them to visit on your website. Let's get started. Here you see a screencast of the website as it looks for all public traffic prior to people logging in. You may or may not have seen this the regular pre-login content, because we use iMember 360's auto login feature to log you in automatically when you first sign up. As a part of the thank you page delivery after sign up, we log you in, which changes the way the home page looks. For logged in users, we remove the slider that you see here with non-essential information, sort of the advertising stuff and the things that we want people who aren't signed up yet to see. And we replace it with links to the training videos for the onboarding of folks who've just signed up for the basic level. So let's log in as a new basic level user and observe what happens. So to log in, I'm going to go here to the menu item called Login. It's going to pull up the screen. I'm going to choose my login as a member. And here we're going to see the welcome message. It knows my name. It knows I'm a basic level member. It knows that I've watched the first two videos, so it's unlocked the third video. But you see that it replaced the slider, right? And it's also changed some of the information down here. There would have been a sign up button here to sign up for basic training, but since we're signed up, we don't need to show that. Also, let's check out the menu up here. You can see we still have the home page button, but now we have training videos, and it's only showing the basic version because that's all I'm signed up for. And it's only revealing the ones that I'm authorized to look at. If I had never watched anything, it would just show Module 1. If after I watch Module 1, it will show Module 2 is available. After I watch Module 2, it'll show Module 3 is available, and so forth. Then you can see that we have an opportunity to visit the blog. We can also sign up for additional training levels. Hello guys, there we go. You can sign up for the intermediate and advanced levels when they're available. We don't need to hide them yet. We're sort of advertising the fact that they're coming soon. Then let's check out My Account. Under My Account, we have the download the iMember 360 plugin, which means that you can come back in here anytime, day or night. All you have to do is log on to the site. You can download the latest and greatest. Okay? If we click on My Account, it's going to take us to a page where I can actually maintain the contact information of my account. And that's just a simple short code that we have there. So you can see that there's quite a lot that you can do with menu visibility. All right, so here's a bonus feature for you. Let's take a brief dive in to how we put the menu together using the iMember 360 visibility settings so that you too, in just a few minutes, can create your own user-friendly menu choices. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to log out as a user of the website, and you'll see that that returns me to the regular forward-facing website for everybody. There's the sign up button that I told you about before that we remove when you've already signed up and you're logged in. So now I'm going to log in as an administrator. Okay, so here we are logged in as an administrator, and so what I want to do is go to Appearance and Menus. Now I'm not sure how familiar you are with building menus in your iMember 360 or in the back end of WordPress, but I'm going to show you some of the settings that we have here. Let's just take, for example, the training videos where I showed you that doesn't show to the general public when they visit and aren't signed in, but it does show up when we are signed in. So let's open this custom link to training videos, and you can see that there's no link to a page here. We just put a self link because it's just a placeholder. And this is the most important thing here, this iMember 360 menu visibility. So if we hover over this little question mark, it'll give you some information about what several of the things are that can control that. Is homepage is one, is user logged in is one, I4W underscore has tags is another one that you can use to control things. So what I've done here is I don't want it to show until someone is logged in. So I put is user logged in. When that evaluates to true, it's going to show this menu item. Okay, so that's how we fixed up the training videos, sort of the higher level menu item. Then we go to basic training, and you'll see that I've done the same thing. So I have three basic, I have three levels of training, right? I have the basic level of training, I have intermediate that doesn't have any sub items, and I have advanced training, which doesn't have any sub items. Now, we have these other sub items under basic training, which is introductory training modules 1 through 7. And what I've done here, let's take a look at that. I've given these are actually links to a page, okay? They link to this original page, and for training module 1, I've just put is logged in, because if someone is logged in to the website, I want them to see the first module of introductory training. But on the second and subsequent modules, I say, do they have tag 2915, which is my tag number for the tag that they get when they watch this video. So when they watch this video, okay, they're going to be tagged, when they watch module 1, they're going to be tagged with 2915. And when they watch module 2, which is going to be what unlocks module 3, they're going to be tagged with 2917. So I just keep going down the line and tag and put in that menu visibility has tagged for the previous video that I place when they watch it. Now you can do that with a number of different things. With an action set, you can do it with plus this, you can do it with My Fusion Helper, you can also do it with an Ajax action shortcode that you'll be learning about in subsequent videos. Okay, so that's how we did the training under basic training. Let's take a look at how we did the login, log out, because you saw that change. So what we did for login, we put menu visibility is not, that exclamation point means is not. So the user is not logged in. We're going to show the login, and we're going to take them to the standard URL page for WP login. That's the WordPress login page. Okay, so that's how we did it for login. This is how we do it for log out. We put is the user logged in, and then we take them to that same page, the login page, but we put it, we append to that link a question mark with an action equals logout. And that's how we perform the magic of logout. So that's a couple of quick tips that you can see how you can use menu visibility to control login and log out so people don't get confused. I go to a site a whole lot. It's really a cool site. In fact, they're the manufacturer of the theme that I'm using here, elegantthemes.com. And on elegantthemes.com, it doesn't matter if you're logged in or logged out. It always shows log in on the menu. And it's really confusing to me. I can't tell if I'm logged in or logged out. I don't know if something's not accessible. I can't figure out why. It looks like I'm not logged in. So I really dislike that. That's why I wanted treat you guys to having a visible change with the menu itself so that it shows logged in versus logged out. Let me show you just one more quick thing and then we'll wrap this up. All right, under my account. This is a very cool thing, has recently been added to iMember 360, although it might have been there for a long time if you see this a few weeks from now. That's how quickly we improve stuff. So I gave a navigation label of my account. I put visibility is user logged in because you can't display a profile of someone who's not logged in. Okay, and then on that particular page, I put a short code from iMember 360, and I'm going to put that up on the screen so you guys can see it. Okay, so here is the My Account page as I promised, and here's the short code that did all of that cool stuff that you saw, the I4W underscore user underscore profile. That's all I had to put on the page for the short code to grab all the information that we have about the particular user that's logged in and build that form and put in all the inputs and put in the submission button so that users get to maintain their own profiles. It's something that you can do on your site, make it very easy for people to keep their stuff up to date and make it a lot easier on your tech support people to support folks. So that about wraps it up. Hope everybody enjoyed the training. And again, thanks for signing up for the training. Hope you enjoyed this bonus tip, and we'll see you in some subsequent videos. Have a great day.